good hands. Yeah. What are you doing over there? Playing? Is that the fire truck?
No,
Put Patsy's on the fire truck?
fire truck.
They're going for a ride? Fire truck, yes. Are you stuck? Now you're out. No, you can't sit in. Oh, you did sit on that one, didn't you? Yeah. Fire. Stroller. Push. Push. Where's the car? Put the car in there. Are you gonna put the car in there? There. Wait a minute. Close the door. Okay. Push hard. There he goes. What? Help me with what? I have to help you with what? No? Okay. Oh, and close the door? No. Nope. Nope. Okay, get it up there. There, you opened it again. Yeah.
Horse. Light truck.
Where's the big truck? Where's the big truck? Are you cooking? Is Will cooking? Uh-huh. You want that?